Guys, we're back with another video. So today I'm going to be unboxing a dress form. Don't mind my clothes. I literally just got off of work and it's cold here. But I ordered this dress form off of Wayfair. It was a really good deal. It was about like $35. I will drop the link below. And I'm just pulling it out of the box. The packaging was good. Everything, nothing looked like damage inside. This is the actual the body of the dress form, and they have wrapped it pretty good. It's me always struggling with this plastic, and I'm just taking it down. I believe this dress form is a size 2, which you can add like padding or different stuff to make it the size of any of your clients. And that's just the body of it. So now we have, so this is the end that's going to be on the floor um, to help it. This is the stand for it. It's going to help it stand up. And this is actually my first dress form. I have been sewing for years and I have not used one. Um, but it was time for me to get one. I should have really got one way before this, but that's okay. We've got it now. Um, so yeah. And I'm just figuring out how to do it. I'm literally not even looking at any of the instructions because of course, you see how big the box is. I hadn't gotten to it yet, so I'm just playing it by ear, but I figured it was pretty easy to put together. I couldn't reach the bottom because I am short, so I just end up putting it, putting everything else on the floor, and I'm just like, I'm just gonna get this together now. So these are the legs for the stand, and here I go again, struggling with the plastic. Story of my life. Um, Grabbing the scissors. And this is going to be really easy to do because they just slide right in for that base of the stand, like the bottom piece. And I will show you that as well. Just getting my life together over here. Um, so yeah, I'm just going to slide it right. Actually, no. I thought I was going to slide it right in. But there's actually a piece that you need to take off in order to secure the legs of the stand. So I'm just going to untwist that part at the top. And it has a little screw. I'm just showing you guys that again. And I don't know why I decide to do things with my nails on. It's so annoying sometimes. But I'm just going to slide it in now. And then I'm going to cover it back with that piece and tighten it up, and then that will be perfect for the stand. Yep. And it's pretty simple to put on. It's nothing too hard about it, but I just wanted to show y'all just in case it comes without a instructions or anything. That is just really simple to put back on. And there's the little piece to hold it together. I know it's called something, but I'm not gonna lie, I really don't know. Um, so yeah, I'm just tightening that back on, and then I'm gonna stand it up. And I'm just making sure it's secure because I don't want it falling apart when I'm trying to put heavy dresses on the stand. So I'm not gonna lie, I had a little bit of an issue with this. Look at the bottom, right? I was like, oh yeah, it's just gonna go right over it. Y'all, that was not the case. Oh, look at the back of this. I don't know where this dress form has been. It's either been sitting in a storage for looks like years, or this was returned. I don't know. It looks a little busted, but don't worry about that. I'll take care of that um after I put this together. So you see this little part, I'm like, oh, it looks like you have to twist it, which you do in order to get that piece onto the stand. So I'm just loosening it up. I figure I need to take a little moment to get my life together because it was getting on my nerves. So I'm like, I'm back. And we're gonna put this on. And I was like, I just couldn't see it, so I just needed to bring the stand to it and still couldn't do it. This little part was a mess. Like this whole thing was so easy to put together, and then you got this thing barely wanting to go on the stand. So I put it on there some kind of way. It's probably still not perfect, I'm not gonna lie, but that's basically how it's supposed to go. And which I realized later, y'all, that it's supposed to go down further, which I changed on my own, but ultimately that's basically how it goes. And you want to make sure it's sturdy and tight because like I said, we are going to be putting appliques and everything onto the dresses, and just seeing how things are going to fit on your client. So I'm going to show y'all what it looks like all together. It's good, it's cute. It's gonna work for $35. It's a hit for me, y'all. And it's really my first one. I kind of just want to see if I really like them, which I think I will because I'm able to put pins in it and stuff. Um, but I do have to clean this because I don't like how that bag's looking. I really don't. But thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see y'all in the next video. Thanks, guys.